Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally I get to go to the place in I'm on. Look up on the beach side. We're making a quick stop at the beauty supplies to get an ear dye. Hello. Okay. No, when you sing about clocks. Everybody have clocks.
They have clocks.
Except me.
They don't have clocks.
You don't have clocks.
See if you hold your lunch money for the insurance, you get the clocks. Start yourself to have a clock.
Don't get crowded, man. Okay guys, we are here. Boy, it's like them have tour down here. Babe. I think I want to put up on gray and the green one.
One, go. Wait.
Them have tour down here, man. Two big bus.
They look like doors.
Yeah, we're tourists.
So where we going? What on this?
First, I come at the beach and food, so.
And the full stuff.
Hmm?
You're saying the full stuff?
Mm-hmm. Guys, I reach. It's like I'm not really afraid for going in water, but the water cold. Yeah. So I'm going in the water. I'm soon going in the water. Sun feeling nice for my skin. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is like therapeutic. Oh gosh. Guys, water feels so nice. Wow. I needed to get this so bad. Oh. Maybe I have to come forget the wash off here. Alright guys, so we are leaving. We're going back home. But oh my gosh, the water felt so good. It felt so good. She say easier for what than I said more than up so. Cause your foot are sinking and sand up there so. Maybe. Maybe. Remember me can't swim me now. So me not run the risk in the water. I'm tired already. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Susan McRae and thank you so much for watching. So this here, first of all, this here, the original color is yellow and I had it for a while. I had it from last year February when it was my birthday. I had this here, so I had it there sitting down on the mannequin for such a long while now, and I was like, because I only worn it once when it was my birthday, yeah, and from then on I just had it there sitting down. So I was at work the other day and my hair was looking so bad. I wanted to braid it myself, but then I said it's time consuming and everything. And then like the spirit said to me, you have that hair not wearing, why don't you dye it in black so you can get to wear it? And that's what I did basically. I dyed the hair black and I love how it turns out. I love it. Right here now I'm just, because I dyed it, wash it, and then right now I'm just putting some curl inside it, parting it and separating the hair, putting some curl inside of it. And I did use the wax stick so that the hair can look more flexible and more slick and more fluffy and, you know, well pressed. So that is what I'm just doing, flat iron it and everything, and the outcome was so good. It was so beautiful. I'm going to show you a pic of how it was before. So thank you so much for watching and continue to support your girl. Remember to always leave a comment down below, turn on your post notification. You don't want to miss that upload. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I'm finished doing my hair. I'm having some food now. You can see me in my show dark. I don't know why. The lighting is here. Anyways, yeah guys, some there have some food. Hey guys, so I came to do my first delivery. In the car waiting on the person. Are you liking my hair? I installed it today. Babe, I'm careful.
You said